Hey all, welcome to another adventure with Odd Rob. I'm coming to you on my last day here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. What a fantastic time I have here. And the Jamaican culture has been a part of me for almost 40 years. What part of the culture is my favorite, you may ask? That's a very difficult question. Let's see, is it the music? Well, I gotta tell you, I love it all. Calypso, reggae, soca, dance hall, and so many other types that are native to the Caribbean, and particularly Jamaica. Of course, particular artists, I'm pretty old school, so I'd have to say definitely Bob Marley, Buju Banton, Byron Lee and the Dragonaires, and of course, Beres Hammond. Although, you know, it could be the food. Where do I begin? Jamaica's national dish of ackee and saltfish, jerk chicken, jerk pork, oxtail, curry goat, callaloo, fried plantain, bammy, johnny cakes, I don't know. Now, I could go on and on about the food, but I'm about to embarrass myself because my stomach is about to start screaming. Yeah. You know, it could be the land itself. From the top of the beautiful mountains to the vibrant rainforests and beautiful, beautiful seas. But with thinking about all of that, honestly, I have to say that the thing that stands out the most is the people of Jamaica. Warm, welcoming, and proud. And so again, I'm proud to say that over the last near 40 years, Jamaica and everything about her has helped mold me into who I am today. And I hope to return again sometime real soon. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. While you're down there, go ahead and drop a comment or two. Tell me about your experiences in Jamaica. Hey, particularly Montego Bay. I'd love to hear it. And until next time, leaving today, last day, coming to you from Montego Bay, Jamaica. Stay safe, walk good, and by all means, stay odd.